In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Instagram from Play Store. So if you are trying to install Instagram app from Google Play Store, but you are unable, then follow these steps. Should this help you, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, there are quite a number of methods you can follow to fix this issue. In the first method, you need to go ahead and just open Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. As you can see, I'm logged in here. So if you are not logged in with the Gmail, go ahead and log in first. But in case you are logged in but you are still unable to install this app, then proceed and just tap on your profile icon on your email here and then scroll down to settings here. Now under settings, choose this option called network preferences, and under it you'll see the first option here, app download preferences. So if you tap on app download preferences, you can see we have quite a number of options such as over any network, over Wi-Fi only, or ask me every time. Choose the first option and then tap on OK. This will allow you to install or download this app using any network that you are using. From here, now search for your Instagram app and see if you are able to install it. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and look for Play Store either through settings here. So if you go to settings, this will list all the apps under apps manager. But alternatively, the shortest method is just to go to your Play Store app and then long press on it and look for this option called app info, or the name of the app if it is on top here. Tap on it. And here we need to go ahead and clear Google Play Store data. So if you go to storage here, you can see data stored by this Play Store app. Of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just files that are normally collected and stored by your Google Play Store app to enhance user experience. The challenge is accumulation of these files might cause your Play Store to malfunction. So go ahead and tap on clear data and choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. Once you have cleared cache data, now go ahead and restart your smartphone and come back to Play Store. Now search for Instagram, and then from here, go ahead and tap on install. As you can see, now I'm able to install Instagram. So that's how you can fix unable to install Instagram from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.